Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to make your icons and text size larger on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. This is really useful if you're having difficulty seeing things or reading text. There are two ways you can do this. The first way is going into settings, then accessibility, then tap on display and text size, then tap on larger text. Now toggle the larger accessibility size option to the right, and then at the bottom use the slider and adjust what size is best for you to read. Once you have chosen the size, go back to the home screen and test it out. Now the second way of making the icon and the text larger is by going to settings, then tap on display and brightness, scroll down and tap on text size. Here use a slider and adjust the text size. Then go back and tap on view, which is under display zoom. Here choose zoomed option, then tap on set. It will give you a prompt and it will tell you the iPhone will restart. Go ahead and tap on zoomed. The screen will go black and then return back. Now go back to your home screen and test it out. You will notice your icons and text have been zoomed in and they have increased in text size. And that is how to make your icons and text size larger on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.